Hello everyone, I'm Mikerlange Mondesir, the UPG Sustainability Leader based in Haiti. I am a medical doctor deeply committed to promoting health and well-being for underserved communities, particularly homeless children in my country. Through my work and leadership, I aim to drive transformative change for a more inclusive and sustainable future for my country, Haiti. This journey to Hurricane Island is a great opportunity for me to advance my project and to make a better impact in my community. That's why I really need your vote. Thank you in advance for your support. Merci.